Coinex is one of the biggest exchanges and the top choices for crypto traders nowadays because it supports almost 400 cryptocurrencies and a total of 600 trading pairs. If you are a new trader and interested in this exchange, this video is for you. Today I will show you a detailed instruction on how to get the 2022 sign-up bonus on this exchange and how you can sign up and verify yourself to trade. Let's go! So the first thing that you need to do is to go to coinex.com and then you will be arriving at Coinex Exchange official website. So what you need to do next is to click on sign up and then you will have to enter your email and password of your choice here. So regarding your password, keep in mind that you have to include at least 6 characters with the minimum of 1 uppercase letter and 1 number. And then for referral code, you should really use our referral code that I'm putting in here, or you can get it in the description box down below. And then what you have to do next is to click on sign up and verify your email. So the email verification code will be sent through your email. You want to open your email and then copy the code, paste it back on the page like this, and then click on confirm to finish. And that is all that you need to do to sign up on Coinex. So now we will move on to 2FA security and KYC. To do this, you just go ahead and click on account and then select account settings. So on this page, you can see that your ID verification status is now unverified. However, in order to verify your account, you will have to enable your 2FA security settings first. So click on bind TOTP here. TOTP is a short term for time-based one-time password. So basically it is Google Authenticator. So this is a kind of security measure on Coinex and most of crypto exchanges in the world. So this is really recommended because it would further secure your account and all of your transactions whenever you want to deposit your funds or to trade on this exchange. So the first thing that you need to do is to confirm your email by clicking on send code button right here. And then the code will be sent through your email. You just have to open your email and then copy and paste the code back on the page. Next, so this one is a little bit more tricky because you would have to download the Google Authenticator app to your browser. So all you need to do is to Google Authenticator and then click on the blue button right here, which is add to Chrome. And then click on the extensions button here. You can see the Authenticator extension is already available here. So I just go ahead and pin this extension so every time that I need to use it, I will find it more easily. Now back on the page. So what you want to do now is to click on the Authenticator extension here. So you will see a pen icon right here. You will want to click on it. Then the plus symbol right here and scan QR code. Now you would want to drag and choose the QR code area. And finally, for the 6-digit code, open the Authenticator extension again and you will see a 6-digit code right here with a timer. Now what you want to do is to fill out this code before the timer runs out. Because if you don't, the code will be expired and a new code will appear. So what I'm doing here is to copy the code and paste it back on the page. And that's it. So next, what you should do is to complete your mobile authentication. So on this page, what you need to do is to scroll down and click on bind button right here. So first thing first, enter your 6-digit TOTP code here. Click on next, and then you will have to confirm your email again. Just click on get code and the code will be sent to your email. So again, copy and paste the code back on the page. And then click on next. Now you will have to enter your phone number. So you choose the area code and you will want to enter your phone number here. Then when you click on send here, you will get the 6-digit SMS code that will be sent to your phone number. So all you need to do is to enter that code here. And then click on next. And then you're done with the 2FA settings. So okay, if you want to have more bonuses or to learn more about crypto, don't hesitate to like and subscribe to CoinF Master. Turn on the notification bell to always see our newest video. Now we can do the ID verification. So as you can see, there are two types of KYC right here. One is enterprise verification and the other is personal verification. The personal verification is for your own use, while the enterprise verification is for your business use. So to do your KYC, you will have to provide your basic information, your ID card information, and face recognition. And what you will have after passing your ID verification is that you will be raising your daily withdrawal limit up to $1 million and able to join mining, airdrops, and other promotions on Coinex. So here you will have a list of notices that you have to read. Click on this box and start your ID verification. So first, there are 3 types here that you can choose: ID card, driver license, or passport. Fill in your last name and first name, pick your gender, fill in your date of birth, ID number, and lastly is your ID date of expiration. And then what you have to do next is to upload your ID. So here you can see that you have 3 options to upload your ID. You can continue on your mobile, take a photo of your ID using your webcam, or to upload a file from your device. And then choose file, and I just have to import the file back on the page. For the last one, face recognition, you will have to enable your webcam. However, in case the website cannot see your face properly, you will be requested to do this step on your phone. So now you will want to open your phone camera to scan this QR code or to enter your email here and then send the link to your email. After that, you might be requested to upload your ID card again. So just do that and you will be able to do your face recognition. And this should be very easy because all you have to do is to hold your phone's camera in front of your face. And once you're done with that, you just only need to wait for Coinex to review your documents. And this should take only about 1 to 3 working days. And when the result is there, you will be notified through your email. And that is all. Easy, right? If you are looking for a complete walkthrough of any crypto exchange, check out the links below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to CoinF Master because it's free. And turn on the notification bell because we have so much more crypto bonuses that we cannot wait to share with you. Goodbye for now and see you in the next video.